In this video, you're going to learn when exactly to buy Tesla and have a game plan when you are buying it to know when it's going up, when it's going down, how to take advantage of it. But before we talk about that, I need you guys to do your boy a solid. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Go on ahead. We are very close to 20K. Let's hit that today so we can pop some bottles and do some hood rat things. And also hit that bell notification so you can be up to date whenever I do some new videos. And this video is all about Tesla. Right now, at the time of recording this video, Tesla is at $278 a share. We are looking at this on Moomoo, so shout out to them if you want some free stocks. I will have more information about it in my description or pinned to the top of the comment. So the first thing we are looking at is the current price, $780. You gotta realize they just did a split, so it was close to $900 a share, but now you get it under $300. So first thing you want to look at is the 52-week low. The 52-week low is $206. And then next you want to look at the 52-week high at $414. Which one are we closer to? We are closer towards the 52-week low. You always want a long-term investment to keep on going up after some years. This will be a 1-year hold and we will revisit to see if we're going to do anything different. But since we got more of an upside, I like my odds, because let's say if we go down to $206, we can still buy in and take advantage of it. I actually will prefer that more versus it just shooting up to $414, because we're going to make some quick money. It's going to trade sideways and go back down versus it come back down and go to all-time new highs. We'll be able to make a lot more money with it. Now, just looking at Tesla chart, you notice you had a lot of opportunities when it was down to buy. Right here you was able to buy, right here you was able to buy and take advantage, down here, and all of this technically right now is buying opportunities because we are not close to our all-time high. That's when we had it over $400, and it's a little bit lower right now. So the game plan and the mindset you want to have is literally every $10. So $10 increments, meaning once Tesla hit $280, you are going to buy in. Now, depending on your financial situation, it could be $10. It could be one full share. On Moomoo, you have to buy one full share. Other platforms like Webull or Stash, you can literally buy fractional shares and just put $5 in. The number one thing here is just getting comfortable and getting in a habit of completely doing it. So as soon as it hit 280, say you put $2 in there, you're like, cool. All right, so our next time we're going to buy, if it go back down to 270 or if it go to 290, anything in between, we are sitting back and chilling. So let's say it go back down to 270. Bam, you got another buy-in mark. You're putting another $2 in, or you're buying another whole coin. Say it go down to 260. You're buying in again. Now, I know you're wondering, Orlando, why should I buy in if it's going up? And people always like to preach buy low, sell high. We are investing in a company that we feel will be here forever, for a very long time, right? So let's say you invested in at 100 and you're like, look, I'm about to put a big bag in and put more in once it go under 100. But you didn't do what Orlando basically gave you the game to do. You should have bought in at 110 right here, then at 120. But you see it shot up to 130. Bam, we bought in at 140. Oh, we was able to buy in at 130. So we was able to catch it on the dip. Back at 130, 140. And now look, bam, we approaching $200, and you missed out on all of this opportunity because you was waiting for it to go back under 100. When did it go back under 100, people? It never did. So you literally have to invest in good companies, even on highs and even on rallies, long as your dollar cost averaging, because you literally can get caught up in a rally and be pissed off that you didn't actually take advantage of it. That's why it's important to only invest a certain amount of money, whether it's $5, $10, $20, buy a whole share, depending on whatever your financial situation is. You just want to be in the habit of having a game plan when it's time to invest in companies. Then the next thing, you look at the news, you see what's going on. You can see if there are any type of alerts, any type of new things that's popping, that's about to bring more new investors over towards your company. You see it's at 280. This is when we will completely buy. We'll hit trade and we will go ahead. I'm not about to put in my pen and stuff, but we'll buy a share and we will sit back until it's game time again. So the last thing is checking out what the experts are saying on Seeking Alpha. If you guys want to get in on Seeking Alpha, they are doing a promotion for my viewers. I believe only $100 for the year to actually sign up with Seeking Alpha and see like the detailed things that I can show you guys right now, right? So this is the top analysts and experts giving their opinion about Tesla right now. So let's check out all of Tesla ratings. You can first go to the financials. The financials are beautiful. You see from 2012 to now, everything increased nonstop. Their earnings is amazing. They beat every damn time just about at this point, and they just beat their recent earnings. That's why people are so bullish on Tesla. And you see the revision grade is a B+, which is rare. That means they know what they're doing in this sector. Tesla do not give any dividends. I don't see them ever giving any dividends any soon because they really don't need to. Valuation is a F. The reason Tesla valuation is a F because their metrics really don't make any sense. Before the original split, I thought Tesla was overvalued at like $200, then at $300, then at $500. I'm like, it's not going $1,000. Tesla just kept on going up and they really rocked to their own beat. And the nerds and the people with the numbers don't really understand it. So they just, gonna give them an F. But their growth is an A+ because we see how fast they are completely growing. No company in the world is growing as fast as Tesla. And if you look at the profitability, A+. No company in the world you're making as much money year over year investing in Tesla long term. Their momentum is another A because they are so advanced, so ahead of everybody else. If you look at their peers, Toyota, BYD, Ford Motor Company, look at the market cap. 859 billion. The closest to you is 100, damn near 4 times lower than you. They are, I always tell people, 5 years ahead of their competition. So it's really hard to really catch up with them. But in my opinion, Tesla is always a buy, to literally just buy and hold until you make money, because sooner or later you can not make money 6 months, a year. After a while, you're always going to make money. Look at that. 11% even in the last year with all the crazy stuff. Even year to date is down 30%. 5 years, look at that percentage. 1100%. Look at this. 10 years, 13,000%. Yes. And the max is 23,000. Tesla's just going to keep on going up. It's either you get down or you lay down. And lay down on that like button. Go ahead, smash it, punch it, do all that type of stuff. You can follow me on all forms of social media at Lando Success. Let's get to 20K. I will talk to you beautiful people later.